Hello guys, this is Real CAD CAM Solution. Today we're going to see the previous video continuous topic of Solidworks 2D sketch. Okay guys, we just open the part model. I just choose to the plane for working the 2D sketch. I nearly go to set the setup of mmgs, millimeter gram per second. Okay. Then also I choose my plane for my drawing pathway. Using the center line. Here I am going to try my trim command. The name is trim entity. First of all, I use the power trim. Look this how to trim the line. And another one is corner trim. Just select the center of the corner like this. And then choose the trim closet. Trim closet like the AutoCAD trim. Yeah, close it together. And then trim balance the trim inside and outside. Just look how to trim this. First of all, select the boundary and then select the lines. Hit trim inside on the line. The same method on the outside. First of all, select the trim outside option and then select the boundary of line. Then finally click the line and the boundary is trimmed. Okay guys, the trim option is clearly explained. And the last one is extend entity. This is the extend to the line. Like this, it's extended. Like this. I hope you to understand this extended line. And another one is offset entity. Just follow my commands. Also reverse to the line. Also by direction. This is also the reverse direction. Continue multiple offset like that. Okay, we just draw to the another option, the mirror entity. Just look how to draw the line and how to make the mirror of the opposite section. I choose to the mirror entity on the object of the lines and then select to the mirror about axis, center axis, then click OK. The mirror is done. Mirror option very simple. And then I'm going to do the another option. used to trim like that. Also going to mirror the opposite side of part of rectangle. Like this. Now I hope to clearly you can understand this tutorial. And then we go to set the all entity move, copy, rotate, etc. Just listen how to move the rectangle. First of all, we choose the XY direction. This is the coordinate point direction. X or Y, top and bottom, left or right, like that. And then go to move the front to copy concept, also same as like this. Copy entity is a basic type of copying method like an AutoCAD. And then go to make my rotation of the rectangle. I give the point of the rectangle. Give the angle of the rotation angle like this. It gets rotated. Just selection to the rectangle. Just click to the center point and give the angle of rotation. Yes. And then we go to scale the entity. Increase the size of the rectangle. This is the times of increment of the rectangle. If you raise the 2 times, it gets bigger than 2 times. For example, if you take a 50 cross 100 mm rectangle, it will take double time, making a 100 cross 200 like that. This is the scale. And finally, we got a stretch entity like a moving option. Once again I try. Yeah, same as like an ammo comment. Okay, and then go to choose my another option. The name is circular pattern. It has a array type of CAD, having a CAD like an array option. Here I choose the circular pattern and a linear sketch pattern. I delete the previous drawing and then go to select my plane. I choose to draw a circle for using the linear sketch pattern. This is the rectangular array of name in AutoCAD. Here's change the name little bit, linear sketch pattern. By choosing to the space in between the circle has some space of element. I choose the number of 5 elements and giving the space has 50 mm including center by center. I choose to the degree 45 degree. Even any type of inclination angle you have to be in a working in some dimensional area or any other dimensional area. This is also the linear pattern for an horizontal type. Here a horizontal type has a y-axis. Okay, this linear pattern is almost ready. And then another one is an same between space of 60 degree. I chose some number of elements have 10 circles. Okay, and then draw another circle. I choose to draw the circular pattern option. This is a arraying method of polar array, the name in AutoCAD. Here's we click the option is circular pattern, circular sketch pattern. Here we choose the center point on the center of the circle. We got a 360 degree over number of elements, circle elements. But 12 circles and between the space also given. Here I choose only 12. Here's a equal spacing between the elements. Yeah, finally we got a polar array. Then I go to trim some inside of the line. Yeah, we'll finish the trimming option. Then finally we got arraying like a gear method of 2D sketch. This is also known as the circular sketch pattern. And finally we got a text on the 2D dimension. Here we choose the point of the session in between the line. First of all, I text the text for using this diagram. Then go to text the area Solidworks, the text is get the path on the arc. Just see how to change the directions on the line. It increasing the size of the text and in between the space of the text. Here we got a text on the arc. And then finally this is the spline. This is one of the normal spline in the Solidworks. This is also a little bit important of working. Okay guys, I hope you can easily understand in this video. If you like this video, like, share and comment. Please subscribe to our channel guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys.